If you ever need something to reduce your blood pressure, this is what you need. This is chayote, the blood pressure buster. Take this, drink it, blend it, cook it, however you want. But listen, you need to have a tree growing in your yard. It is not hard to plant. Once you plant this, it comes back every year, especially in a tropical region. Chayote has so much benefit. Chayote contains compounds that exhibit anti-inflammatory effects, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. I want you to follow me down here and let me show you some of the fruits that's growing on the tree, and we can talk about the benefits and what it is good for. So follow me and I'll show you. Right, this is a tree. If you look behind me, you see a lot of white chayote. You need the white chayote. The white chayote is a chayote that will lower your blood pressure by counteracting the effects of sodium. Chayote's low sodium content and abundance of nutrients can help support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular issues. The digestive health, because of the high fiber content in chayote, it helps the digestion, prevents constipation, and support overall gut health. Discover the wonders of chayote. It's a unique and diverse fruit that is not only delicious but also packed with nutritional benefits. Original native to Mexico and Central America, chayote, also known as chayote squash, Merliton, or vegetable pear, is a member of the gourd family and has been cultivated for centuries. Explore the fascinating world of chayote, from its origin and growth patterns to its culinary use and health benefits. This is so essential. It's full of so much vitamins, so much benefits that will get your body back to normal. Chocho, some people call it chayote, but we in Jamaica, we know it as chocho. But this is what you want to eat, whether you blend it, whether you eat it raw, whether you cook it up as a part of your meal with beef, chocho, put in a soup. Chocho is the blood pressure buster. Look how much we have growing on the tree here. So tell me, I have all triplets. There are many different varieties of chayote that you can grow, but the white one, I find it tastes like a pear. It is so essential to your needs. Look, and it's so firm. It can stay on the tree for ages until it's ready to be picked, to be harvested. It's called chayote. There we go. Hope this one don't... see? It's called chayote. See another one here? There's a tree here. They look over this, you see this one. But look at the most essential part of this. This is the triple white chocho growing right here. And then you have the green one. So you have a lot of chochos growing right here in the garden. This is a white one, another white one. And I find that the white ones are much better. The chochos are... Look at that. Look at this one. You see how it takes over? This is what happened. The chochos, they start to sprout when they're getting fit. So you can either leave it for a little bit longer on the tree, or you can take it off and continue with the growth of it by put it in water, put it in earth, put some paper towel over it. But yes, and they're still coming up with young ones. Because if you look, there's another young white one under here. If you notice, I've put some cover under it, over it rather. This is another one. This is another green chayote. But you want to know that chayote is this one starts to split open as well. See that? You can see where it starts to split right open. So I always hear about the Seven Sisters chocho that grows in Jamaica. And I think I was almost there with this triple chocho growing on the tree. You know, when I saw four of them in one bunch, but one fell off. But this one seems to hold. But yes, I think every garden should plant chayote. You know, it is so beneficial for your health. As I said, the blood pressure is one of the biggest one biggest thing to reduce your blood pressure, and I think the white one is the most dynamic of it all. So please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and try and go and get your chayote now for a better and healthier you.